What's up guys, Mr. True Life on here, and this part of this video I'm going to show you guys how to carry out your supplier approach, right? Carrying out your supplier approach meaning you want to get this product, you've seen a product you want to sell, now you want to speak to the person who owns this product. This will work for you if you are in private labeling or if you want to set up a dropshipping, maybe Shopify dropshipping store, and that is the main purpose of this training, right? The next one is your supplier approach. We need to take off market research and then we need to say it that we're about to do our supplier approach. Come on. Yes, sir. Supplier approach. Come on, guys. Let's go. Alright, the next one is called 1688. 1688 is very tricky because it's not an English website. It's Chinese, but you can as well translate it, right? You can translate it. Now, the third one you then look to is AliExpress. So these are all for Chinese, right? Then the fourth source you're going to check is I want you to look out for an American supplier for your product. So many people do not hit on this. Everyone just talks about go to AliExpress, find something selling for $1, sell it for $100. No, that's not how life works. So the next one you're going to look out for is having an American supplier. A supplier that is in the US. A supplier in the US. I'm going to show you guys how to get into each of these platforms, how to use them, even this one that you need to translate yourself. I'm going to show you how to use it, how to search for good products on AliExpress, and how to find a reliable American supplier. I really hope with this now you've gotten a good product and that you know you can scale to the moon. So let's hop right into my system right now and let me show you how to do all of these step by step. It's that strong now. So now what you need to do is you're going to go to suppliers, right? You go over to suppliers, then you write the name of the thing you're searching for. Let's say, for example, you want to search for, let's say, jewelry, or let's say earrings. So I want to buy earrings. Earrings 2021. Then you click search. Remember, we're searching by suppliers. So when this list comes out, what you're going to do is, first thing you do is you click trade assurance, because with trade assurance, what you get is if for some reason there is a dispute between you and the supplier, you do not lose your money. Why? Because you are protected by trade assurance, right? So you first tick trade assurance. The next thing you must tick is verified. Make sure you're working with only verified suppliers and suppliers that have trade assurance, right? So then you can even go into the supplier's profile and you see what they are like. And then you see what they are like, right? So you can see this supplier has been verified. This is what their store is like. They're in China. It's owned by a private person. They have 11 to 50 employees. They show you the revenue they do. This is about $1.1 million, right? So you know this is a company that's working. They show you videos of their work area, their products, everything. So you know they are legit. Do you understand? Like 95% of suppliers you pick via this method are going to be legit people. But just in case there's still a dispute after receiving your product or something, that is why you only pick suppliers that are bound by trade assurance, right? Good. So contact them or have a chat with them. It's very easy. You don't need Ali Wang Wang or anything. You just come in here and you chat directly with them. You say anything you want to say. They always work with things called minimum order quantity, but you can order samples from them, right? You can order samples. Let me show you what that looks like. Okay, so let's go into apparel. Let's look at hoodies and sweatshirts. Let's go into apparel. So with that, we can then tell that, okay, this is working out for us or not. So you can see hoodies. This is even showing in my country's currency, right? You can change the currency to USD and save it, right? to start displaying prices in dollars. It's easy to do all of this swap, right? Good. So when you do this, let's go into one. Okay, let's say, look at this one. So it says the minimum order quantity is 10 pieces, right? So if you're getting 10 pieces, they tell you how much it will cost to get a sample. They tell you all of these things, right? This is a 10 to 49 is going to cost you $14. 500 will cost you $13, $12, and you can bargain. You can bargain with them, right? You can see they are bound by trade assurance, protecting your order, and it's a verified supplier. They have a refund policy, right? They have a one-time dispatch guarantee. They show you their company. They always show you these things. Good suppliers must show you these things. See, they said they can supply up to 500,000 pieces per month. They show you their company profile, the employees. You can check everything. You can go into products. Let's go into products and let's see what these people can offer, right? Let's go into products. Suppliers' popular products, right? Can you see these? These are their popular products they have that they can supply. Response time less than 4 hours, 99% on time delivery. All these things are calculated. So there are various metrics you can use to know you are picking a good supplier, right? You can subscribe to their trade alerts too. Meaning you get trends when they drop new products and everything, right? That is what it's for. If you want to contact them, all you need to do is do this. Then there's a format for contacting them. I'm going to add a PDF to the program which will provide you a format that you just edit, put in your name and whatnot, and you can use that to speak to them. They reply you in minutes to a few hours. It's very, very easy, and they are verified suppliers. You can decide to ask. My advice for you is always get samples, right? Always get samples. When you want to get a product, always get a sample first. After ordering a sample, then and get samples from multiple suppliers. So when you get samples, after getting samples, you can then move ahead to making your bulk order, right? But never forget to get samples. Samples first. That's the way to go. Samples first, all the time, all the time. Samples first is the best way. Is the best way to go. Samples first. After getting your samples, then you can move ahead to ordering the quantity you want to order. If you find out that, okay, yes, I love this supplier's product, I love the way everything is, then you can then make your bulk order, right? Good. So that's about that. I'm going to put a list of a few very good suppliers, verified suppliers that I can speak for, I can vouch for, because myself and my clients have worked with them, and they work with payment links, right? On Alibaba, when you pick your products, they send you a payment link. With a payment link, all you need to do is click the link, and then you go in with your card, and then you pay for the items you want. Like, look at this now. There's a payment link here for these jeans. So all you need to do is you click that payment link. It says trade assurance checkout, and then you put in your card details, and then you pay for the item. You can pay via PayPal, wire transfer, Google Pay, Apple Pay, right? So it's very, very easy to pay these people. It's never a force. It's never a problem. You just have to do things the right way, right? So this is how it really works on Alibaba. And trust me, it's even more seamless on your mobile phone, because there's no conversion, like changing the language. There's no translation that you need to do. You just pay directly by yourself, and everything is the way you want it to be, right? So that's how it works on Alibaba. Now, let's go over in the next part of the course. I'm going to show you how it works with agents.